Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use the Navy Federal Credit Union credit card step by step clearly. To begin using your Navy Federal Credit Union credit card, locate your card and ensure it is activated. If your card is not activated, follow the instructions provided with your card to activate it either online or through the mobile app. Once your card is activated, familiarize yourself with its features and benefits. Review the credit limit, interest rates, and any rewards programs associated with your card. Next, make a note of the payment due date to avoid late fees. Consider setting up automatic payments for at least the minimum due amount. This will help you maintain a positive credit history. To make a purchase, you can swipe your card at any merchant that accepts credit cards. Alternatively, you can use it for online transactions by entering your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Always keep your card information secure and monitor your accounts for unauthorized transactions. After making purchases, track your spending through the Navy Federal mobile app or website. This will help you stay within your budget and manage your credit utilization. When it comes time to make a payment, log in to your Navy Federal account. Choose the option to pay your credit card bill. You can either make a one-time payment or set up recurring payments. You have the option to pay the full balance or just the minimum due. Paying your balance in full each month can help you avoid interest charges. If you encounter any issues or have questions, contact Navy Federal's customer service. Make it a point to review your credit card statements regularly for accuracy. Take advantage of any rewards points or cashback features your card offers. These can provide additional benefits when used wisely. Remember to keep an eye on your credit score as you use your card. This can impact your future borrowing options and interest rates. Being responsible with your credit card can help you build a positive credit history. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Navy Federal Credit Union credit card and maximize its benefits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.